Hey, what's going on? Dan here from DanBradleyOfficial.com and welcome inside my email ramp review. Now throughout this review I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what email ramp is all about. In fact, right now I'm here inside the membership area and I'm going to be showing you exactly what this system does and why it is something you should seriously consider adding to your marketing toolbox. Now of course we're going to be talking about the product. We're also going to be talking about the upgrades that are going to be made available to you, the sales page, the promises they make, and stick around towards the end of this video where I'm going to share with you my quality custom bonuses that are going to be available exclusively for those of you who choose to pick this up through the link down below my YouTube video. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, if this is your first review you're watching, welcome in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're going to be notified about up and coming product launches. Also, it does give me a massive help if you can quickly smash that thumbs up button, give this video a really quick like so I can continue to create content like this for you. Sound good? Okay, so let's get into the video. So, welcome inside my email ramp review. Now, here I am inside of the email ramp dashboard, and this is a very, very easy and simple system to use. Now, what you guys are getting is a huge collection of done for you emails. Now, this is covering a real range of niches, and this is where you're going to start off in email ramp. So, internet marketing, business opportunities, online biz op, parenting, family, e-commerce stores, beauty, skincare, weight loss, self-help, video marketing, crypto, alternative medicine, dating, relationships, local businesses. So depending on what niche you're in or what clients you want to go after, because of course you can use this with full agency rights and actually go after clients and obviously sell them these emails or look after their email marketing for them using these templates and make a lot of money in doing that as well. So there's a few different ways that you can use email ramp. Now, just to show you how this works, so for example, let's just go into, what should we have a look at? Let's go into internet marketing, for example, okay? And here you have a number of different categories of emails that you want, depending on what the end result is that you want to get from those clients. So do you want to nurture the list? Do you want to offer some value, win their trust, so that you can then pitch them? Is it a pre-launch? Is there a product coming up and you want to get people excited, you want to build the buzz around it? Then there's that. There's product launch. So when a product is actually launching, you can mail it and obviously make money through that product. Storytelling emails. So you can use stories to engage the subscribers and ultimately lead them to wanting to make a purchase. Re-engagement. If people haven't been engaging with your brand for a while, you've not been getting the results you want, you can then use these emails to re-engage them and to get that back. Discount, time-limited offers, okay, really building in that urgency. And then finally, emotional selling. So how to sell from the heart that's going to affect their hearts and make them want to open up their wallet and spend money with you, okay? Now, depending on what we're going to choose, let's say just list nurturing for the moment, we then get a number of different emails, and there's a couple of pages of these here as well. And it is going to be not only, this isn't just one email, this is a series. So in this one, there's 7. So we can go ahead and view this. All right. This is called List Building at a Glance. So we just click on that, and we can then go and see email 1. You've got the subject line here, and then you've got the actual message here. So you can go ahead, you can change in the product name, you can change in the hyperlinks. Obviously, you've got to put your name in it, and you can do all of that. Now, you can save all of those, and then you can actually automatically send them to your autoresponder and load them in. Alternatively, of course, you can copy and paste. If you prefer to, you can copy and paste them and take them over to your autoresponder, format them how you want, and then send them out. Now, of course, you can cherry pick any of these that you want to. You can edit them, you can put your own style on them, your own spin, and then you can save them into your own saved emails just here, all right? Now, again, if we just choose another niche, so we've got a weight loss niche, and again, the same type of things. You've got list nurturing, pre-launch, product launch. So if you're promoting a product, and here you go, you've got, again, a couple of pages of these. This is 6, 7 emails, all right? So don't worry, I'll show you the answer tomorrow, okay? It's showing you about getting ready for a product that is coming up. Stop wasting money to lose weight. Lots of different great emails. Now, these have been written by 6 and even 7-figure copywriters. So these are great emails that obviously are clearly going to work. Now, you're going to get these high converting, cash pumping emails that you can use in just a few minutes. All right, you don't have to hire a copywriter. You don't have to write a single word yourself. Although personally, I would change them up slightly. Maybe put your own little spin on them. Maybe just make them unique to you and to your brand and kind of the way in which you want to express yourself. Okay, but look, I've spent thousands of dollars and years, really. I've spent over a year now learning copywriting, and still think my copywriting needs improvement. This is a really awesome way to kind of bypass all of that learning curve and just get straight in with being able to send out quality emails that do convert. Now, I'm sure you've heard people say the money is in the list. It is absolutely 100% true. And personally, I'm still amazed that I can, send an email out and just make money a few minutes later. That is kind of the best feeling in the world. And obviously, as I improve this and I continue to grow, that's going to happen more and more. And there is no reason why that cannot happen for you. So you get 999. I don't know why they didn't give you 1,000, but there we go. 999 pre-written and tested emails for online and local markets. Okay, so you've got a number of different emails there. You've got copywriters behind. They've written over 5 million in copies. And you also get an extensive agency pack. So you get your own done-for-you site, which is HTML-based, business card, letterhead, invoices, brochures, done-for-you Facebook ad creatives, done-for-you web banner, and Google Ads, and more. So of course you can go and you can actually sell these emails as a service to other businesses. So if you want to drop down into click down below this video, there's a link, click on that, go through to this page here, and you can actually watch a more in-depth demo here. It's only a couple of minutes long, 4 minutes long, for Email Ramp here, and you can see exactly how they're using the system here. And what is this going to cost you? Well, this is going to cost you from $24 one time, okay? Very low entrance price, $24. Of course, price is increasing as we go throughout this launch, so you do want to get in and grab your copy as early as possible. Upgrade number 1 is the Club upgrade. This is $17 a month. This gives you integration to the autoresponders, which you're going to want, a team license, and 100 fresh emails every month. So I do recommend that upgrade. Upgrade number 2 is a copywriting playbook, the email writing playbook, $49. It's 60 minutes of training on how to write copy that sells. And upgrade number 3 then is the Max upgrade. This is $197. This is 100 done-for-you funnels, lead magnets, full products. These are actually given to you weekly so that they're drip-fed to you, so you don't kind of have this complete mind boggle because you've got all of this stuff. So they're going to come to you on a weekly basis. It's $197 one time. So of course you can check that out. All the information, of course, is going to be below this video. Now, of course, I am recommending Email Ramp to you, and the reason I'm doing that is because email marketing right now is hot. It is super, super hot. It's always been hot. It's always going to be hot. And if you can create your own list of, as I call them, loyal cherubs, then you're going to be able to profit basically for the rest of your life. Now, of course, when you decide to pick Email Ramp up, which I highly recommend you do, then I'm going to make some bonuses available exclusively to you that are only available when you pick up Email Ramp through the link down below the YouTube video. Bonus number 1 is how to build a huge list of loyal cherubs that buy. All right. Building the list is great. Lots of people can show you how to build a list, but if you don't build a list of people that love you, you don't build a list of people that want to spend money with you, it is pointless. And this is where so many people go wrong, okay? You're not building lists of loyal cherubs. You're just building a list of people that are going to read your emails, maybe not even open them, right? They're just not going to be interested in what you've got to say. So you're going to have these awesome done-for-you emails. We're going to show you how to build a list. Those two things together equals money in your pocket. Okay. Bonus number 2 is a done-for-you killer copy template, so you can write your own copy. So I have a template that I go through when I'm writing my own high-converting copy, and I'm sharing that with you. Now, this is something I would not normally give away, but I really do believe in Email Ramp so much, and I really want you to pick it up, that I have decided to share that with you, okay? So I'm sharing with you exactly how I write copy, my template that I use, and you're going to be able to use that to drop in your own stuff as well. Bonus number 3 then is easy list hacks that share the biggest secrets of pro email marketers. So these are some of the secrets that online and email marketers are using right now in 2019 to get some amazing results. So if you want to know exactly what's been tried and tested and true, then you want to pick up that bonus. You don't want to miss that bonus. Bonus number 4 is that it's a really short bonus, but it's the emotional trigger swipe file. So this is basically emotional trigger words that I use within my emails to invoke reactions, okay? Because when people have an emotion, when you're writing, okay, makes people feel something, emotions equal reactions, okay? So that means that when they feel something, they're compelled to do something about it, and that something for you is going to be opening up their wallet and getting out their credit card, okay, and going to be to obviously make a purchase. So it's the trigger words that I use that have worked, that we've tried and tested over many years to make sure that they work perfectly. All right. So those are the 4 bonuses that I'm going to be including for you guys when you pick up Email Ramp through the link down below this video. Now, of course, if you've got any questions about the software, then please drop them down in the comments. Come through live chat with us, drop a ticket through my support desk. We'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Now again, just to cover up the niches that this is going to cover for you guys, it's pretty much going to cover for anything that you guys are going to be doing. Internet marketing, online biz op, parenting and family, e-commerce, and there is a ton for e-commerce, like literally a ton. So if you're launching a product here, all right, you've got loads of different stuff here. And there's also more stuff here in list nurturing as well for ecom. You've got another 6 in there as well. Okay, lots of stuff in the ecom niche. Beauty and skincare, weight loss, again, lots of stuff in the weight loss. Storytelling, which is big in weight loss. All right, you've got pages and pages of that as well. So you've got weight loss, you've got self-help, video marketing, crypto, alternative medicine, dating, relationships, local businesses. Okay, so if it's B2B, relationship building around offering discounts, following up if people don't respond to you, all right, you can go ahead and do all of that as well. So go ahead, grab Email Ramp through the link down below this YouTube video. Thanks ever so much for watching this review, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click that bell to be notified about up and coming product launches, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. This has been my Email Ramp review. Bradley out.